Played with the settings, threw the new camera up there. We got the fence going on. We got this house being built. This thing's beautiful. This thing's beautiful. Windscreen on back order. Brentuning has been contacted and ordered. Hey, we got a lot going on. Yo, what is up YouTube? Killcam back on the saddle of the Bmw S1000Rr. I hope you guys are doing good today. Videos every Wednesday. We have been staying consistent. Thank you for clicking on this video. The BMW S1000 today, Sparky. The exhaust is at the dealership. We just ordered the Brentuning today. That is on its way. We have played with the settings. I'm at number 1. So power's at 1, wheelie's at 1. I'm gonna keep my foot glued to this back brake. I have not popped one yet on this thing, but this is really my second ride after bringing it back from Charlotte. I want to learn this monster before I just go crazy with it. I haven't got enough seat time on this thing yet. I have been itching, absolutely itching at work. And we have family in town, so oh man, this thing is just teasing me in the garage. The fact that she's unlocked and the tune's already ordered, the exhaust, I have the schedule for next Tuesday. So much going on with this bike. I'm so stoked. Hope these tires are warm because we're ready. That quick shifter. This thing is brutal. Played with the power settings. We are at 1, so full engine unlock before the Brentuning. Shout out to Brentuning. I had to get this bike tuned so that we could put that full exhaust system on, and everyone and their mother was saying go Brentuning. So that is exactly what we did. Even the dealership was like, hey look, I can't tell you what to do. Brentuning. That tune needs to come here before Tuesday. That's when our appointment is, so let's pray that it does. I have to hear that exhaust on. I'm so stoked for that exhaust, you have no idea. I used code MAXWRIST. I saved like the taxes on that Brentuning. I'm a small YouTuber, but I'm still gonna support YouTubers. Maybe one day that'll be me, maybe one day it won't. Who cares? But at the end of the day, you always support your fellow YouTubers, even if they are MAXWRIST, and he is insane with those max passes. I've been in contact with 2 of you guys that have the same exact bike. You guys are both like an hour and a half out. I'm going to link up with these guys just so that I can ride with another one of these bikes. I cannot wait for that content. This thing screams and it doesn't even have the exhaust. Oh my God. This is heaven, dude. This is heavenly. This is absolutely... my front wheel, holy crap! That's the first power wheelie ever on this channel. Oh my God, I might have to put the setting on too. That kind of just sobered me up there. It's gonna take me at least 10 rides to not piss myself. This is incredible. Absolutely incredible. BMW, what have you done? I honestly had to stop and I had to pray because that power wheelie made me see God. I appreciate every single one of you that clicked on this video today. I'm so excited to get this new exhaust, full Acro Brentuning. Thank you. Holy God. This thing is going to scream. Comment down Sparky if you watched this video until now. Subscribe for your boy if you ever want to see another video on this bike. I will see you guys next time. Exhaust should be on Tuesday. Y'all take it easy. Killcam out.